How to replace TV screen. To begin, I added a video with a green screen to my timeline that I would like to replace green screen with my video. First, drag your video above green screen in the timeline. Then double-click on it in Program Panel and use one of its edges to resize it. And drag it into your green screen. Now go to Effects Panel and search for Corner Pin. Drag and drop Corner Pin effect into your video. With your video selected, go to Effect Controls and click on Corner Pin effect so its handles be visible. Now from bottom of Program Panel change Zoom to 100% so we can see better. Now use these pins to position the video exactly on green screen. And set zoom back to fit. If your video is with lags like mine, select it, then press Enter key on your keyboard to render it. Now our video replaced in TV screen nicely. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.